Everyone, and welcome once again to the same workshop. Today I want to show you guys how I pipe this neck. Let me take a closer look at this. This is the neck, and it's a complete neck in which I just pipe. So I'll be showing you how I pipe this. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscriber button. It's just a simple, very simple style. It's a cufflinks. It's a cufflinks sleeve. It's as simple as that. And this is just the main design on the outfit. Just a touch of this inner, which is red. It's as simple as that. If you want to take a closer look at it, this is what it looks like. Can you see that? And this is the neck itself. Can you see that? So let's get straight to the workshop and just do this. So here is the neck I intend to pipe. I already fixed the neck. I already fixed the back side also. So I just slit the chest like this. So the very first thing I'll be doing is I'll be using this to pipe the neck. But first and foremost, before you pipe, you should know the lining. We're using it this way, it doesn't stretch, so we'll be using that stretch like this. Stretches very well. So all I will do is just cutting something like around 1.5 inch wideness. Let's cut this. Let's cut it straight. So here, let's cut out the neck. I should be folding this with an iron, but based on the fabric, it's a little bit stretchy and it doesn't go much well with iron. So I'll be doing a rough stitch using iron to balance it up. So let's do it now. So here is the pipe that I intend to use. You see that it's very stretchy, so I'll just place it from inside here. Can you see that? I'll just place it from inside here. I'm going to stitch it. I'm stitching like around half inch or quarter inch in order to give me the measurement I want. I'll just stitch it round. Just make sure your hand is straight and you don't stitch more than half of an inch inside. So here we have this. Can you see that? So this is the one coming back to the front for the pipe. Can you see that? So now I'll be running the pipe now. So this excessive, I will just have to like cut this excessive part. I will be running the pipe right now. So this is what we'll be having. Can you see this clearly? So after, I will just have to like turn this over. Can you see that? So this is what we'll be having in the front for the pipe. So I'm just going to stitch it straight. I'll be stitching at the end, at the tip of this one, at the tip of the rollover. I'll just be stitching it straight. Make sure your hand is straight and the stitches is very clean and neat. That's the beauty of the piping. this turnover is around 1/2 of an inch. This turnover, it can be more than that based on what I cut and what I fold. But if you are not sure, you can easily use your measurement tape. If you are having a problem, probably the thing is not balancing well. It's not actually a big problem. Just try your best, and if it doesn't work, stitch it like that. Iron will do the finishing. Nobody is perfect though. No good reason. So here, I run the stitch straight. You can see I'm having some stuffs around here. That's what I'm talking about. It's not a big problem, so don't be scared. You see that? So here. So far this is what we have. Can you see those things I'm talking about? It's not a problem. So now all I will be doing is running another stitches on it. That will be like around 1/4 of an inch. I'll just follow this line, which will be the second stitch. Can you see that? So now on this outfit, I'm having 2 stitches. I'm having 2 stitches here. So let's just do the finishing by ironing it. So after the stitches, this is what we have. You can still see those unbalancing around here. So the very first thing I'll be doing is ironing it individually. Like each part, I'll just run an iron. You can still see some unbalancing here, which is what we need to take away. We need to eradicate. We need to cast out. So here too, I just have to iron it individually. And this one too. I believe you can see that thing around here also. It's not balanced. So you have to iron it until it stands firm. And I'll iron the inside of it also. Do the same side and side also. So right now this is what we have. It doesn't balance well. So to get it balanced, I'm going to have an overlap here because there will still be a placket down here. So I'll just have that, and I will. Next thing I'll be doing is to balance it up. I'm going to run over stitch here, something like this. I'm going to place this just like the way we want it to be. I will leave the iron for a while to just stimulate. This stimulates. I don't know. So I'm just going to place this cooler here, like to cool it down. Can you see we have a balance here? It doesn't stand as this one. So I'm going to do the same thing here with this. So I'm going to. So this part here will definitely go up just like that. So I'm going to iron it to make it stay. So far this is what we have here. Our pipe is all ready. If assuming you intend to tape it with probably a different color, you just add it inside of this and just make it round or make it an half or any design you want to do. So this is how to pipe a placket. This is how to pipe a neck, sorry, not a placket. And I will see you guys next time on another video. Exactly.